takai. Takai is mean high or tall or expensive or high price. As you see here in this example, we have the example like this. 私はとても高い熱があった。私はとても高い熱がありました。This means I had a very high fever. I had a very high fever. And here you see that 熱 is mean the fever, right? So 高い is mean high or tall or expensive. But in this case, we don't say about the price. So we say about the tall or the high, the level. So 熱 is mean fever. So when you get the fever, so that means you get a hot, right? So we talk about the hot in your body. We talk about the temperature in your body. So we can use the takai to explain that you get fever and your body temperature is high. So in this case, you can say takai netsu, right? Takai netsu ga arimashita. Or takai netsu ga atta. So if we say about the netsu, we say about takai, and if we want to say about the price, you can say 値段が高い。この製品の値段は高いです。この製品の値段は高いです。It means the price of this product is expensive, or the price of this product is high, right? So we don't translate to be like a high, we just say like expensive, right? So この製品 this means this product. No 値段 is mean the cost or the price. So the price of this product is expensive, or the price of this product is high. So you can use 高い in many cases. 値段が高い or you can say 背が高い。田中さんは背が高い。田中さんは背が高い。Which means Mr. Tanaka-san is tall. 背が高い is mean your body. Your body is 高い is mean high, right? 田中さんは背が高いです。Which means Mr. Tanaka-san is tall. Or you can say tall mountain, right? The mountain, if we say in Japanese to be like yama, right? Yama. So if you say yama, it means mountain, but you want to say tall mountain, so you can say 高い山。高い山. So it means tall mountain. But when you say about the tall people, you say 背が高い, right? 背が高い. 背 is mean the body. So it mean the about your body, right? So 背が高い is mean tall. So if you want to say somebody that tall, you can say 鈴木さんは背が高い. It means